Have you ever heard of a travel inspiration journal? Well, if you haven't, you are in for a treat. Paper House has an amazing summer line of products, plus these really awesome travel journals. I was able to journal my entire first beach vacation with Lily. So check out how easy it is and all the fun pictures from my trip. I could flip through these pages over and over again and relive these memories. I love this book because there's plenty of room to keep journaling all of our family adventures. Okay, so if you love this craft, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. If you've got a question, post it in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you love this video, please give us a heart, share it with your friends. All right, stay tuned for more crafts from me and our team.